Good morning! Today I'm going to film another day in the life, another lockdown day in the life. If you are liking watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also like this video as well. It really helps me on my YouTube journey, and seriously, it's going to give me something to do over the next 8 weeks. I'm already looking forward to getting back into the studio so I can do some like day in the lives in the studio, or do some like before and afters with clients. We're going to have some epic before and afters. So my clients haven't had their hair done for, God, it would be like, some of them have been like 3 months now, and we've got another 2 months to go. So I'm really excited, and doing all of this now, all these day in the lives and stuff, it's really helping me edit and also get the channel out there so people can see it and hopefully they like it. Normally at this point in the morning I'd be wearing my hoodie, but I had a glass of red last night watching Batchy and accidentally spilled a little bit down the front, so it's currently in the wash. I'm like, hopefully it doesn't stain and hopefully it's not wrecked, because it's my favorite thing ever. I actually wish I got 2, so maybe I might order another one. I have to admit, this lockdown, you know, there's been lots of wine, lots of couch days, lots of Netflix. I'm literally watching Gossip Girl from start to finish again for like the 10th time. I actually have like proper stuff to set my camera up when I'm doing this, you know, vlogging. But instead today I decided to pop it on my massive jar of coconut oil, and I accidentally slid it off the bench, and it yeah, smashed and all glass there. What a waste of nearly a litre of coconut oil. I will definitely learn my lesson from that. So today I'm gonna make another smoothie. I loved the arbonne one so much, I ended up getting a big like bag full of it, but as soon as I opened it, it was like instant regrets because it doesn't seal properly, and then like when I was trying to get it out, it was like just powder everywhere. So I'm probably gonna have to pop this into a big jar. I bought a heap of bananas and just froze them, so then it was really nice to have in my shakes. So today I'm going to do the vanilla. I'm going to do half a banana, and I'm going to put some mango in there as well. So before my neighbour and I go get a coffee, we actually bought something really cool online. I didn't think it was going to arrive, but it arrived just on time for a vlog day, and this could be really, really interesting. Hopefully we don't get hurt, but we've got rollerblades. So I've got kids ones. Lucky that I have a little foot, so I was able to buy the kids ones. Like, we've got wristbands and knee pads as well, because the last thing we will want is to fall over and hurt ourselves in ISO, because that would just make it shit. I'm just gonna get mine on, and then we will go for a little skate around the park. I have not rollerbladed since I was like 10. This is going to be funny. Yeah, I'll go try. It was bound to happen. I just stacked and I'm so grateful that we have the wristbands. I think that we need to get some bum pads because that really hurt my ass. Yeah, I'm done. Done for the day. Oh, that's cute. So I definitely do not need to work out today now because rollerblading is literally like a workout. So I'm just gonna have some lunch, clean up the apartment a bit, watch a bit of Netflix, and then I'll check back in with you when I'm cooking dinner. Doing HelloFresh for about 2 years now and we have heaps of $50 vouchers, so I'll put the code in the description so you guys can get $50 off your first box. Thanks for watching my video and I'll see you in the next one.